Welcome to CarMags. Prepare to be amazed by the most powerful and distinctive Mustang ever, the 2025 Ford Mustang GTD. This isn't just any car, it's a $325,000 road-legal race machine that pushes the boundaries of performance. Drawing inspiration from the IMSA GTD class, the Mustang GTD boasts a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine that delivers over 800 horsepower, surpassing even the GT3. Imagine the electrifying roar of this engine as it revs past 7,500 RPM, a sound that's music to any car enthusiast's ears. So, what makes the Mustang GTD so special? Every detail of this car is engineered for peak performance. It features a carbon fiber driveshaft, a rear-mounted 8-speed dual-clutch transaxle, and body panels made almost entirely of carbon fiber, with the exception of the door skins. The aggressive design includes a front splitter, vented hood, and flared fenders, all of which enhance its aerodynamic profile. The car's aerodynamic kit is further bolstered by a carbon fiber underbody tray and hydraulic front flaps, ensuring precise airflow management and increased downforce. The GTD's suspension and cooling systems are equally impressive. Air scoops integrated into the rear windows help cool critical suspension and cooling components located in the trunk. The advanced suspension setup, developed by Multimatic, includes adaptive suspension technology with race-inspired pushrod suspension and adjustable spool valve shocks, giving drivers unparalleled control. In track mode, the ride height drops by 1.5 inches, optimizing performance on the track. The car rolls on 20-inch forged aluminum or magnesium wheels, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup Tour tires, ensuring it stays glued to the pavement. Inside, the Mustang GTD blends luxury with race-ready features. The interior is a lightweight mix of suede, leather, and carbon fiber, with Recuro bucket seats up front and no rear seats to keep the weight down. Unique touches like the gear selector and 3D printed titanium paddle shifters, crafted from retired Lockheed Martin F-22 fighter jet parts, add a touch of aviation-inspired sophistication. Plus, the interior color and equipment can be customized to suit your personal style. Of course, with all this power, fuel efficiency takes a back seat. The Mustang GTD is expected to deliver fuel economy similar to the 760 horsepower Shelby GT500, with around 12 miles per gallon in the city and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. The 2025 Ford Mustang GTD isn't just a car, it's an exhilarating experience that redefines what it means to drive a Mustang.